Alright, what's good YouTube? It's Yoboi Sal here, coming back to another video. Today I got a banger video for you guys. We're going to be doing a challenge video. Joe and Danjo and me are going to be eating a Habanero chili pepper. If you guys didn't know, it's like a hot chili pepper. But yeah, and it's hot, but it's not that hot, but it's still pretty hot, so yeah. And so I got 3 shot glasses of milk, because I'm not trying to waste milk, for one cup for each of us. And the rest will have to be water. So yeah, so let's bring Joe and Danjo in the frame.
Alright guys, so these are the glasses. We each get one. Look how tiny these are. We each get one each though.
No,
so
dude, that's.
I don't do hot food. I don't even eat wings.
Hold on, I'm Mexican, so I can handle it. I think.
I can't handle, but like.
Okay, come no, bro.
Tell them what we gotta do. We gotta eat. So Sal said we have to eat the entire thing. I'm gonna do my best. And when we went to La Tapatía,
can you have at least something to, or I'm gonna spit this back.
Alright guys. 10. Like we all picked our own out. Like we were like, let me see which ones
I didn't. They didn't pick their own out. I picked it for them.
I just told them which one.
Yeah.
And the other dude did my stuff. So
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not even hot. It's not even hot, dog.
Come on. If you need help, get on that.
I'm done. Are you serious?
Or drink water if you get that. I swallowed it.
You don't know.
Damn, he drank all the milk.
Oh, you drank all the milk, you guys. You drank all of it.
Dude, it's getting hotter. I can't take it.
Like it's that. Cut your eyes out. Yeah, just cut your eyes. Come on, dudes, let's go.
Guys, hot buzz. It's not that bad. But still pretty hot.
Alright, you guys.
It's really. I told you I'm the one who's sensitive in this grill.
Pineapple? Let's talk about pineapple.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Sal, find something for me to hold.
He really drank all of it.
Cause I swallowed it, he didn't.
Lick your lips.
I did.
Lick your lips.
My eyes are hella watery. My eyes are watery. My mouth is hot.
Look at Danjo.
Oh. I can't do it. I can't take it.
I'm like crying right now. Joe is actually taking it pretty good. Like he's not like he isn't drinking. Guys, just make sure to like this video for me, or for us. We did it.
I ate the whole.
We all swallowed it.
We're gonna be doing the Satan's Toe Challenge. It's basically like a lollipop, a tote, and people can't do more than 5 minutes of it. So I'm gonna see if you can all beat it from my video.
Alright, check this out.
Yeah.
You guys want? I'll check. I'm sensitive. I drink the whole glass of milk. It still burns.
Yeah, and the shot glasses we had of milk, he drank all of them.
Yeah,
He drank all the milk.
Yeah.
My stomach hurts. I'm gonna go bed.
I'm better, like like the hotness is like gone too much. It's in my mouth, but it's not like intense as it was. My nose is running, and I'm like I was like, my eyes were like dripping like tears.
Look at Sal, I mean not Sal, look at Danjo, you guys.
Yeah, I'm pretty chill, guys. Like, it's gone for me.
My stomach hurt.
Guys, I was so scared.
I know, me too. You didn't eat it. Guys,
I was so scared, dude.
Joe didn't eat it.
Alright.
Now you have to
Not cool.
We're gonna watch you like suffer.
Not cool, bro.
Oh, you drank all the milk.
That doesn't matter, dude. Not cool. Yeah, I knew he was gonna do that.
Like, he didn't eat it. Like, now we get to watch him suffer. Like,
Yo.
we're like me and Danger are good pretty much.
My stomach hurt, that's the point.
I'm 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on,
Start doing fast.
Chew.
You pussy. You fucking pussy. No, eat that shit from the garbage.
Do it out right away. In my trash can.
I can't do hot shit, you guys. That shit just like literally like hella just went pop right in my mouth.
No, you suffer, hoe.
You just drink all of those. Those are all filled with milk.
I wish you swallowed it, because me and Sal swallowed that thing,
Bro,
bro.
my gums are numb.
I wish it's all numb all day.
Bro, like right here,
Hey
so I
guys,
can't
just
feel
letting
it.
just letting you know, guys, Joe is the weakest one right now. So don't get ice cream. That's cheating.
I knew he had ice cream left over.
Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know, like we did. I mean,
I didn't.
We suffered, but like, I guess, I don't know.
We suffered. So
We we did it. Like, we actually like ate it. Well, I mean, at least me and Danjo did. Joe, he bit it and then just spit it out right out.
right.
I couldn't take it, guys. I'm not good.
Yeah.
So, like,
So let's just say
Come on,
that he's the weakest one.
I guess, I don't know. But yeah, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me and us, I guess. But yeah, all right. It's
just Joe.
it's
Danjo.
and it's your boy Sal. We're out. Peace.
Later. Deuces.
Look where we at. 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 See him react. I watch him react. Look where we at. Look where we at.